I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a powerful tool that top traders swear by. It's called VWAP. So, what is VWAP? VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It's like the GPS of stock prices, telling you the average price of a stock based on both volume and price. First, find the VWAP indicator on your trading platform. It's usually a single line that moves with the price. When the price is above VWAP, it means the stock is in an uptrend. Below VWAP, that's a downtrend. Day traders love VWAP because it helps them spot key entry and exit points. Here's a tip. Buy when the price crosses above VWAP and sell when it dips below. Easy, right? Remember, no indicator is foolproof. Use VWAP along with other tools for the best results. Practice makes perfect, so keep at it. Happy trading, and may the trends be ever in your favor.